before when I start cleaning. My bed needs to be made. I need to pick this up. I need to put the sheets back in there. My son ate in here. And sorry if I sound stuffy. I ate in here too, as you can tell. Okay, hey boy. This is the bathroom mess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you've seen, I got all the dishes and put them in the kitchen so that way I didn't have to go back inside the rooms and wash more dishes. So I started from my bathroom, which would be at the end of my house, all the way down to the kitchen. I cleaned my entire house and I hope you guys like this video. I hope it gives you a ton of motivation to get up and clean something in your home. Don't forget to hit the like if you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. And let's get on to the video, guys. For the bathroom, I use some, Fabuloso on the spray bottle, and then I use Ajax to clean the sink, and then I sprayed Lysol at the end to disinfect. So I opened up the windows because it's starting to get a little warm over here, and I wanted some fresh air inside the room. I've been loving this end dust. I recently purchased it and I use it on mostly all my furniture, and I really do like it. It kind of gives it a little bit of a shine, but not too much. And so for my boys' room, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did change it up. I got them new bed sheets and I did hang up some new frames. I got 2 of them from Hobby Lobby, the one that says play and the dinosaur one. The other one that says be brave and kind, that one's also from Hobby Lobby, but those are like little pieces that I added to their wall so that it looks nice. Let me know what you guys think. I also sewed up throw pillows for their bed, which is like some dinosaur theme. I really wanted to go very minimal and I really like how it turned out. here, as you're gonna see, I need to wash, so I definitely need to throw a load to wash for him. For the boys' bathroom, I have Fabuloso and Clorox in the spray bottle, and then I'm also going to be wiping it down with Lysol. Spraying it down with Lysol, and I'm going to be cleaning the walls a little bit because I felt like they were kind of dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down. I've been using the honeysuckle from Mrs. Meyer's, and I am just so tired of that smell. Honestly, the concentrate doesn't even smell as good as if you would just buy the bottle itself. So when I went to Target, I got the Method Antibac, and I think it's citrus or something, like citron or something like that, but smells so delicious. And you know, when you get new things to clean, you kind of feel like cleaning more. And for the sink, I'm going to be using the Barkeeper's Friend and the same Antibac Method spray. Who else likes the sink cleaning? I know that is my favorite part. So let me know what you guys enjoy the most. changing the table runner to this other one that I got last year from the Target dollar spot, and the one that was there before was gray, but since it's dirty I decided just to add this one. I also wiped these cabinets down because they had some fingerprints. This is the wall behind where I put my trash bin, and I don't know if you noticed, but it was very dirty, so I had to wipe it down. Guys, while I'm editing the video, I'm like feeling this type of music, like it's getting me even hyped just editing my own video. Let me know if these are the kind of music that you guys are into, or do you guys like more calm music? I'm really feeling this kind of music. I'm like, hey, hey, hey. As you've seen, I only wiped the coffee table, and then I wiped the TV stand and the TV and fluffed the pillows a little bit. And I'm also going to be vacuuming because the living room wasn't dirty at all or messy. That used to be, I had it like a deer, and I just kind of like painted over it with, it was brown. It was black and brown, and I mean, I made it. I did brown, and then I kind of did black because the brown was, I don't know, look weird. And then I did like this weird color, I don't know, like a beige, I think, to make it look more distressed, like actual wood. And then I added this banner that I had from the Target dollar spot. I got that like last year. Then I got this wreath at Dollar Tree, and I added these I got those from Walmart. But now I feel like it needs a little something. So I'm gonna add some stuff. I'm thinking like filling it up, like maybe adding a few of these flowers around here just to fill it up. And we'll see what I do. So after adding everything, this is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like if you guys enjoyed the video, and like I said, if you're new, please consider subscribing. And that is gonna be it for this video, just here folding a pile of laundry. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.